To short a stock on Webull, you need to understand the basics of short selling and have a margin account with the platform. Short selling involves selling a stock you do not own with the expectation of buying it back later at a lower price to make a profit. First, ensure you have a Webull margin account, as short selling is not allowed in cash accounts. If you do not have a margin account, you can apply for one through the Webull app or website. Next, research the stock you want to short. Look for stocks with a high short interest and a potential downward trend. You can use Webull's built-in tools and charts to analyze the stock's performance. Once you have selected the stock, open the Webull app or website and navigate to the stock's detail page. Tap or click on the trade button and select Sell. Since you do not own the stock, Webull will prompt you to confirm that you want to short sell. After confirming, enter the number of shares you want to short and select your order type. You can choose from market order, limit order, or stop limit order. A market order will execute the trade immediately at the current market price, while a limit order will execute the trade at a specified price or better. After placing the short sell order, Webull will borrow the shares from a lender and sell them on your behalf. You will be required to close the short position by buying back the same number of shares at a later time. To close the short position, navigate back to the stock's detail page and tap or click on the trade button. This time, select buy and enter the same number of shares you shorted earlier. It is essential to monitor your short position closely, as it can result in significant losses if the stock price rises instead of falls. Webull will also charge interest on the borrowed shares, which can add to your costs. Best practices for short selling on Webull include setting stop-loss orders to limit your potential losses and continuously monitoring the stock's performance. You should also have a solid understanding of the risks involved and never short sell more than you can afford to lose. By following these steps and understanding the risks and rewards of short selling, you can use Webull to short a stock and potentially profit from a decline in its price. Always prioritize risk management and make informed investment decisions.